Let me ask you something. Did you ever think that coming to America would feel like this? Working two, three jobs, no sleep, no rest, sending money home, paying rent, mortgage, worrying every single day. Is this the dream you imagined? Because that was me too. And then I found something that could change my life. A proven blueprint. Not a shortcut, not a scam, a system that finally let me breathe, earn as you learn, and build a future without breaking my body every day. I came here when I was 22. No family, no support, just work. I was proud to be here, but I was exhausted. Rent, groceries, a car payment, and a family back home counting on me to send money. I told myself just one more shift, just one more year of sacrifice. But years passed, and I realized this wasn't living, this was surviving. One night, I came home after a 14-hour day, and I looked in the mirror. I didn't even recognize myself. I asked, is this my life forever? And the truth hit me. No one was going to rescue me. No one was going to say, here, I'll pay your mortgage. I'll take care of your bills. It was on me. So I started researching, reading, watching, and learning, and I found a proven blueprint.
This blueprint has the potential to make 100% profit through master resale rights provided in this done for you business. So get certified and keep 100% of your profits.
This blueprint is built on three things. Mindset shift from I need to work more hours to I need to build more value. Second is a skill building, learning digital skills that make money work for you. And the third is a system setup, creating an income that doesn't depend on your hours. This proven blueprint changed everything for me. And guess what? Today, I launched my digital marketing business. This Legacy Builder 2.0 was built specifically for people with zero experience, just like me. It's a step-by-step training. This program walks you through everything. Plug-and-play system, no guesswork, no tech overwhelm, and there are live coaching and support, so you're never figuring it out alone. It's amazing. The community itself is so amazing. So let me show you.
So you decided to join me in this journey and ready for potential financial freedom. Here are the things you will see inside our community. All modules are laid out for you. So the Legacy Builders program has tools for online business success for you. First, you will get a master resale rights certification that will give you access to the Launchpad, which is $100, passive daily pay, which is $300, the digital mastery, which is $600, and the full access to the Legacy Builder blueprint. And all of this alone valued $1,900 potential income in one day. Once you get your certification, that being said, you can keep 100% for your profits. And then there are exclusive bonuses where you can earn other potential passive income. Isn't that exciting, kapatid? And for me, the most exciting about, if you are worried of showing your face on camera, I can walk you through setting up a faceless YouTube channel. And these are also their things that you can learn over here. They give you 200 digital product ideas, your faceless marketing business, and how you could build business online with that faceless brand. I am just so excited for you. And then another thing I wanted to show you, we have an awesome community where you can get 100% support and guidance for free. We have live coaching guides. It will guide you to a step-by-step on how to build your own business. We have tech calls. Let's take a look at the calendar here so you can see what I'm talking about. So we have tech calls every Tuesday, Zoom calls every Monday, and then these Zoom calls are mostly for new people in the program so that they have the chance for a Q&A. And we also have live webinars, which is, by the way, happening today. Yes, today, live webinar. And another thing I am most excited about is that we will be launching a Spanish version of this Legacy Builder program. This is soon to come. And I'm so excited. Well, there's so much information, right? Oh, so wait. Let me show you here. Inside our community, we basically have an announcement going almost every day. And especially our CEO, Michelle O'Neill, she will post every day to be consistent. And look, first 300 sale. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So these are just few people that posted inside this community. If you need help, you can post it. So as you can see, there are so many people here that are going to help you to be successful in this business.
I still work hard, but now it's smart. I work less hours and a potential to earn more. I can send money home without worrying if I can make rent or pay my mortgage. I finally get to live. Yes, I'm excited. I finally get to live. So if this story feels like your life, don't stay stuck in a survival mode. Check the link below in the description and I'll send you the exact blueprint that helped me change everything. Plus, I will send you a link for a free webinar happening this Friday. Yep, reserve your seat. It's happening this Friday. And it's free, it's simple, and it's made for people like us. You don't need another job. You need a strategy. Let's change your American dream. It starts now. It's Narissa, a resilient nurse and a mom. I'm here to help you create more time, more income, and more life. Till next time.